everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Emergency SOS on iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. Step 2. Enable required option. Here, make sure Call with Hold and Release is turned on. This allows you to call emergency services by pressing the buttons. Step 3. Show button. Now press and hold the slide button and volume up button together. You will see the emergency SOS screen appear. Step 4. Show SOS slider. Slide the emergency SOS slider to call emergency services. For safety, cancel the call before it contacts if you are just demonstrating. And that's it. This is how you can enable and use Emergency SOS on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips and tutorials.